guys, so we finished website admin Bitrix 24. Now we're doing Jode Forms. So you understand how Jode Forms work. So Jode Forms is basically a platform that creates forms for you, right? And I'm going to take you to Jode Forms and show you what it looks like. So this is Jode Forms, what it looks like. It's connected to, it's a part of our Bitrix account as well. It's an external application. Now all the forms that we need, we create the forms here. So you can create as many forms as you want to, and then you send the link. Let's say for example supplier form, when you have anybody sending us awards for example, or they're sending us award manufacturers, or let's say stage and sound light guys or whatever, you send them a supplier form which is already in your standard template, right? Now whenever they are submitting, you encourage them to please fill the form. So this is the form that we send out. So this is the what the form looks like. If there are any amendments you prefer in this, please bring it to my attention, and I'm happy to add that on for you. So the different suppliers you need, we can always have, a drop down box or whatever. And if you want to amend it, we can always amend it, and you publish it, so it's there. Now, if you want to see what the people who have applied, it's really cool because all you go to, let's go to one where there's submission here, for example. You go to the inbox, and the inbox will show you all the submissions of the forms. So instead of like having 200 people emailing your inbox, you actually direct them towards the Jot forms, and then everybody is in one place, so it's easier. Also during castings, if I want to send out a casting, I can create a form here, and I can just tell the models, please upload your, let's say, front face, your Polaroids, your casting video, whatever. I create the form here, and I send it out to the models, and then everybody who sends in all the details comes up here. And this I can actually download as an Excel file or a PDF or however I want to, which is really, really smart. Because let's say, for example, I want to download it as an Excel. I just open it up. I say download all. It opens up as an Excel. And bingo! Here we have everybody who has applied with all their details under in one place itself. So it's really, really cool. So please start using the Jot Forms, guys. All right. This is all about Jot Forms. Jot Forms is an external application, but it's linked to our Bitrix system. There are many such applications that eventually will be linked into the system to make our workflow much easier for all of us, and to handle traffic that comes into the agency much easier for all of us as well. Because then instead of it being there with everyone, it's easier for everyone as well. Also, Instagram and Facebook, etc., has been already linked into our Bitrix as well. So now all our correspondence for all our social media goes through Bitrix itself. For now, I think it's connected to only the registration department, but if anybody else prefers any sort of connection, please ask me, and then I can share that. You cannot send out emails on Facebook channels or Instagram channels. You'll have to type out your messages or save drafts for that. Or you can use you can create a draft and save it on FAQ in your website and copy paste that from there for your Instagram or your Facebook responses, which makes it much easier for you to as well work. So now that's Bitrix and that's Jot Forms. Now let's go to Yamdu. Yamdu is the next platform. What we work on when we get a client inquiry. Okay.